Look at this little cute little snow cat. Are you a little snow cat? There's somebody else's cat over there. That cat's got the bluest eyes I've ever seen. If you can really see it. Can't really see this cat. What are you doing? Let me see if I can get this cat. What are you doing, kitty cat? Look at the little blue eye. I can't really see. Can you see it? I don't know if I can see it or not. Oh, he's taking off. That's a neighbor's cat, I think. This is one of the neighbor's cats. They've got 4 cats. 1, 2. Look at a little snow cat. Alright, you can't come in. So anyway, check this out. This guy snuck in here. I like him. Oh, it's such a sad world. He took over my chair, too. What are you doing, kitty cat? What are you doing? He's got a cute cat. I like him. This is a cat that was left over. The people lived here before. It's just getting too wicked out here. Hey, I met a couple A-listers, and I just want to look at their vehicle, so I apologize to them. I shouldn't even come up to their vehicle because I can respect their privacy. It's just getting too wicked out here. I pretty much solved my roof leaks. My window leaks. I got a little window leak on the other side. It looked like maybe, but it's just getting too wicked out here. I wanted to go somewhere, but I'm not driving anywhere. This is just too crazy. It's getting even wicked. So anyway, they just took my neighbor. Good old guy in his 70s away in the ambulance. He's got 4 cats. He's the supporter of the family. His daughter and their kids. I don't want to take on these cats, dude. I don't even want this one cat that was left over. Oh, this is a terrible world. People shouldn't be allowed to have animals at all. No, unless you put a bond up. There's enough abused things on this earth anyway. Oh, I'm not happy about a lot of different things. But anyway, it's kind of cool. Snow. I have 2 electric heaters though until they turn the power. What's the company? Until they turn the power off. They're doing this power little thing. It's such a terrible world. Why can't everything just be a whole lot better? I'm just thankful every day. Jeez. I've been putting food out for these cats, $20 a month, but I'm going to the cheap stuff. $8.50. They eat just the same. Geez, I want to go somewhere, but look at this weather. It's just getting too wicked. Anyway, there's the Chinook. Oh, I'm tired. Sleep. Oh, I can't. My neighbor's telling me he's got a $300 a month electric bill. Ouch for electric heaters. Ooh. I'm broke as it is. I got my roof leaks pretty much set. So, anyway, I'm going to say it's just getting too wicked now. I got oatmeal. Actually, I got some organic eggs. Stoked. I think I'm going to cook those up. But anyway, there's the Chinook. There's what's going on. This cat took over my chair. Jeez, I can still put food out, but I don't want no cats. This guy, this gal, this girl, what are you doing? What are you doing?